Hello everyone, welcome back to CSE Core Concepts. In this video I am going to discuss about how to delete nodes in case of a doubly linked list from any position. In my previous video I have discussed about how to create a node in the case of a doubly linked list and how to insert them, be it at the beginning, in the middle or at the end. And in this video I will discuss about deletions. Now consider this doubly linked list having three elements 30, 35 and 40, where I want to delete the first node, that is 30. Now since it was the first node, the previous of 30 was set to null, and since 40 is the last node, the next of 40 is equal to null, and 30 is my head node. So what I need to do is that I want to make the next element of head as the current head, that is 35 will now become my head, right? So I am going to store this head as in a temporary variable. 30 I am going to store in a temporary variable, and head to next is equals to head, that is the next element will become our head. So 35 is our head now. So 35's previous will now be set to null, because earlier 35's previous was pointing to 30, but since 30 has to be deleted, I need to break this link. So to break this link, I will set head of previous is equals to null, and then I am going to release the memory occupied by the temporary variable, that is the previous head, so by using the function free. So in this way you can simply delete from the beginning. Now if I want to delete any element from the middle of a doubly linked list, again consider the same linked list having three elements 30, 35 and 40, and I want to delete the element 35. Now if I have to delete the element 35, I have to reset both the pointers on both the side, that is the previous pointer and the next pointer of 35. So initially I am going to traverse till the position which I need to delete. Now here I want to delete at the second position, so I will move till the first position. So whichever position is to be deleted, I will go to position -1. So that I will make it as the current. So 30 is my head and 30 will be my current, because I want to delete at the second position. Now node which is to be deleted, that is 35 is the node to be deleted, that I am going to create as the current of next. Current is my previous position from where I want to delete, the node which I want to delete. So obviously current to next is the node which has to be deleted. So in this case node delete is equals to 35. So current of next, instead of earlier it was pointing current of next, current is 30. Its next was earlier pointing to 35, but it will now be pointing to 40. So currents of next will be pointing to whom? Node to be deleted to next. Who is the node to be deleted? 35. So 35's next is what? 40. So now 30's next will point to 40. Okay. And similarly the previous of node to be deleted, earlier it was pointing to what? So the next node, that is 40's previous was initially indicating to 35. This link has to be broken. So who is 40? How to locate 40? Currents of next of previous, right? So current node to be deleted, next is 40. 40 is previous. So this is how we write node delete to next to previous. So node delete is 35, its next is 40, its previous is equals to the will be pointing to the current node. So 40 will be pointing to current node, that is to 30, and then you can release the memory occupied by the node to be deleted, that is 35, using the free function. Now to delete at the end of the doubly linked list, let's say here I want to delete the node 40. Simply I have to remove this link from 35. So 35's next, so I have to traverse till the last node. How to know that it is the last node? The node whose next pointer indicates null, that is the last one. So here, so now current is your 40. So 40's previous. 40's previous node is what? 35, right? So your 35 has to be, next of 35 will be pointing to null. So who is current node? Current node is 40. Its previous is what? 35. 35's next, so we write as current to previous to next is equals to null. Okay, and then we will just simply free current using the free function. So this is all about deletions in the doubly linked list. So in this series I have discussed about the arrays, stacks, linked list type of a data structure. In my upcoming videos I will be discussing about the non-linear types of data structure. So arrays, queues, stacks and linked list were linear data structures, and non-linear data structures, that is trees and graphs. So stay tuned for more such informative videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CSE Core Concepts. And if you have any doubts, or if you want me to teach you something else, if you want me to make you presentations on something on a required topic, please feel free to write in the comment section. I will surely try my best to perform it. Thank you. Thank you for now.